Good morning, dear students. Today I will start in chapter light. I will discuss keywords and chapter 16 light completed. Today I will discuss about keywords. I will discuss keywords. First one is the angle of incidence. What is the angle of incidence? The angle which the incident ray makes the normal at the point of incidence, that is called the angle of incidence. First one is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Second one is the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. The angle which the reflected ray makes with normal at the point of incidence, that is called the angle of reflection. And Rayleigh. What is Rayleigh? A special script developed for visually challenged people for reading. Ciliary muscles. Fourth one is the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. A ring of muscles which alter the focal length of the eye lens by expanding or contracting. What is the Rayleigh? Rayleigh is the special script developed for visually handicapped, visually challenged people for reading. And what is the ciliary muscles? A ring of muscles which alter the focal length of the eye lens by expanding or contracting. Third one is what is the cornea? Cornea. What is the cornea? A transparent tissue in front of the eye which allow the light to pass through it, that is called the cornea. Diffuse reflection. What is the diffuse reflection? Diffused reflection. Diffused reflection, when a parallel beam of light on striking some rough surface gets reflected in different direction, is called the diffused reflection. And now come to the dispersion. What is the dispersion? What is the dispersion? Dispersion, the phenomena due to which white light splits into seven colors is called the dispersion. Now come to the incident ray. Now come to the incident ray. Incident ray. Incident ray, a ray of light which travels towards a mirror or some other medium, is called the incident ray. And iris. What is the iris? Iris, a circular diaphragm which controls the amount of light entering the eye, is called the iris. Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope, a toy made by joining three plane mirror strip at an angle of 60 degrees such that colored objects placed in it from beautiful hexagonal pattern. Mirror. What is the mirror? A highly polished surface from which a reflection takes place is called the mirror. What is a real image? Real image. What is the real image? An inverted image which can be projected on the screen is called the real image. Regular reflection. Regular reflection. Regular reflection, the phenomena due to which a parallel beam of light is reflected as a parallel beam in some other direction is called the regular reflection. Retina, a hemispherical light sensitive screen at the back of the eye on which image is formed is called retina. Is called retina. And a spectrum, a band of 7 colors formed on the screen when white light splits into 7 colors is called the spectrum. Spectrum. And last one, virtual image. What is the virtual image? Virtual image. An erect image which cannot be taken on the screen is called the virtual image. Now come to the round up. Light is an invisible energy which causes sensation of vision. Light energy always travels in straight lines. There are two laws of reflection: incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lie in the same plane at the point of incidence, and second one is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. When the left side of the object appear as the right side of an image or vice versa, the image is said to be laterally inverted. A real image is always inverted and can be taken on the screen. A virtual image is always erect and cannot be taken on the screen. The image formed in a plane mirror is virtual, erect, laterally inverted, and is formed as far behind as the object is in front of a plane mirror. A prism breaks white light into 7 colors so as to form a spectrum such that the red color bends least and the violet color bends most. In human eye, the retina acts as a sensitive screen. It is made of 70,000 nerve endings. On the retina, yellow spot is most sensitive to light. The point where the optic nerve enters the eye has no nerve endings. It is insensitive to light and is called blind spot. The 3 defects in the eye are the short-sightedness, myopia, long-sightedness, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Temporary blindness is caused in the eye due to the crystalline lens becoming opaque, and it can be cured by replacing the crystalline lens by an artificial lens surgically. So this is all about chapter 16 light, and you will read this chapter and some activities are given in this chapter, and you will take revision of all the activities given in this chapter, because activity will also come in annual exam as experimental based questions under the experimental based questions. So you will take revision of all the activities given in the chapter 16, activity 16.1, 16.2 and 16.3, 16.4, 16.5, 16.67, 16.8, 9 activities are there in this chapter, and you will take revision of all the activities. So according to the activities, it will come in exam, and you will, if diagram is given in the activity, so diagram is necessary also. You have to draw if any experimental based questions will come, and in that questions diagram is there, so you have to draw the diagram also. So chapter 16 light completed, and you will take revision of this chapter.